Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to unlike all photos on Instagram in just a few simple steps. So let's start the video. First of all, open up the Instagram application and log into your account. Now tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner and then tap on these three bars in the upper right corner and go for this your activity and you will find this first option likes. Just tap on it. Here you will see a grid of your liked photos. To unlike a photo, open it up and tap on this heart icon. Repeat for all the photos you want to unlike. Like this, but there is a quicker way if you want to unlike all your photos at once. Open the like photos, tap on this select. Now select all your liked photos and tap on this option unlike. As you can see here at the bottom, tap on it. Tap on unlike again. Just like that, all your photos are unliked in one click. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.